Types of Bees by Miss Pill. The first bee is the queen bee. She is very busy. She fights to the death with any other queen bees present in the colony to become the queen. She is the only bee to lay eggs. Right here is a picture of the queen bee. Next you have is the worker bee. The worker bee tends to the queen. The worker bee also doesn't live very long. They build a comb to store the queen's eggs. They collect pollen and nectar to make honey. Here's a picture of a worker bee. Drone bee. The drone bee does not have a big role in the colony. The drone bee is the only male in the colony. However, he does not have a stinger. Here is a picture of a drone bee. Many different bees work together to build a hive. There are many different types of bees. There are currently 20,000 different species of bees in the entire world. Bees live in colonies, and there are 3 types of bees in each colony. Bees' senses. Bees see all colors except the color red. Their sense of smell helps them find the flowers they need to collect pollen. The 4 types of bees we are going to talk about are a bumblebee, a carpenter bee, a honey bee, and a killer bee. First up, we have the bumblebee. Bumblebees are considered to be very beneficial insects because they pollinate crops and plants. They are very social bees and live in large families. Unlike honeybees, bumblebees can sting more than once because their stingers are smooth and do not get caught in the skin when they fly away. The bumblebee. The shape is an oval, bee-shaped. The color black with yellow stripes. They have 6 legs. They do have wings and an antenna. Next we have the carpenter bee. Carpenter bees work by themselves. They build nests just for themselves and only feed their own young. They get their name from their ability to drill through wood. Carpenter bee stingers are not barbed, so they are able to sting over and over again. A carpenter bee is about 1 inch in size. Its shape is an oval bee-shaped. The color is a blue-black. They have 6 legs, they have wings, and they do have antennae. The honeybee. Honeybees live in large families and are found all over the world. The honeybee is the only social insect whose colony can survive many years. That is because they huddle together and eat honey to keep themselves alive during the winter months. Honeybees pollinate more than 100 crops in the U.S. Their wings flap 1,000 times per minute, which is why it sounds like they are buzzing. Honeybees can only sting once because their stingers are barbed and tear off when they try to get away. The honeybee is about a half an inch in size. Its shape is an oval bee-shaped. The color is golden yellow with brown bands. They have 6 legs, they have wings and antennas. The killer bee. The Africanized honeybee, also known as the killer bee, lives in South America and the western and southern United States. They have been known to chase people for over a quarter of a mile once they get excited and aggressive. Even though they are called killer bees, their venom is no more dangerous than a regular honeybee. Their attacks are more harmful because they tend to attack in greater numbers, increasing your chance of having a severe allergic reaction to the venom released when they sting you. The killer bee is about a half an inch in size. Its shape is an oval bee shape. The color is golden yellow with darker bands of brown. It has 6 legs, has wings and antennas. That will be it. I have attached a YouTube video for you to watch.